Hi Cybertruck fans, I'm Ellie with T-Sportline. And you know what gets my team and I really excited when we're wrapping a Cybertruck? It's doing a brand new color. And today I have a new color to share with you. Check out Pure Candy Blue. Now, the name is very interesting. It does look like candy blue. It's got that kind of candy appearance to it, especially in the shade or at night. But we're out in the sun today, and when the sun hits it at the right angle, it actually turns a little metallic. And you could actually see some really nice different shades of blue, kind of a metallic flake inside the wrap. Stunning. And you know what? Blue's become a really popular color to wrap your Cybertruck in. It's actually starting to rival satin black, which is kind of hard to believe because that has been truly #1, I think, within the whole Cybertruck wrap community. So let's get back at it. Pure candy blue, color change, PPF wrap, a wonderful way to go ahead and not only protect your Cybertruck, but also to go ahead and do a color change. As usual, we are now embossing the Foundation Series badges in the 3 locations. Embossing means we're actually installing it up underneath the wrap and then applying the wrap on top of it to give it that embossed, very subtle look. And what's also nice about it is that when you wash your Cybertruck, it's not gonna potentially take off the Foundation Series sticker if you go right on top. You have to be careful about that. This customer also decided to go ahead and change their wheels. 24s is where it's at, very popular. And these are our brand new, fully forged CT10 wheels finished in gloss black. It's got our hidden covered center cap assembly, as you can see right here. It has our T-Sportline logo floating in there. It is a floating center cap, but it covers up all the lug nuts and provides a much cleaner look. So that looks really good, gloss black with the candy blue. The windows have been tinted. And when we're all done with a wrap, these days T-Sportline is unlike any other wrap shop in the country. And that is because we have been recognized by Carfax. Now, when you go to sell your Cybertruck, you're looking to get as much money back, right? And when you talk to a potential buyer, you're gonna mention all the extras that you did, including a PPF wrap. Well, typically customers that are buying vehicles run a Carfax, and Carfax validates everything, right? It shows if the car's been in an accident, how many owners there's been, and basically the history of the vehicle. And now they're actually giving special recognition to T-Sportline as a certified, approved shop to install PPF, added value. That is a really big plus one day if you go to sell your Cybertruck. So, what do you guys think? Do you love this color? It's a pretty interesting shade of blue. I'd love to hear some comments below. And of course, if you haven't already, if you love our content, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. We have so much more amazing Cybertruck content coming your way soon.